Hey, I captured Gordon's truck. Maybe for all you could only get for only the truck. But what should we do? Wait, I know. We have a better idea. We're going to only cover still capture Gordon's truck. That's great idea. Let's do only her. That's great idea. Let's only still capture Gordon's truck because only her for no reason. Ha 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 ha. Alright, it's a wonderful new day. Now let's go now for only cover the now let's go for only cut this only cut truck. Hey, alright, full steal for only cover the my truck. No, it's only my favorite truck for only her life. Wait a second. I think it's our little brother and his sleep buddy. And his sleep buddies. I think we're gonna go to do. Hey, get you back over my truck right now. Oh no, it's only her catching good. We should go on her together fast. Oh, we're out of fuel, which means that we're gonna get a crash. Wow. Ouch. Alright, alright. That only help will only help this first only help steal for only help my truck and now how they crash only help the mile her truck. Get out of the hurry right now. Well. It is the only help middle no. Chaos, citizen scared, beautiful go and blah 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 the eye. And also having in here. I can't believe you only hover still for only hover. I can't believe you only hover to steal my truck and crush my truck. Now how they cost over to a 15,000 notes. Thanks to you guys. Now they're gonna buy a new truck because of you. We will call your parents about this. No. Captain Holden, please don't call our parents. We are so sorry. It's too late to your apology. Now I will call her parents of Liberties. Hello, Mrs. Liberty's parents? It had just did for only her little and his Liberties for only her steal my truck and crash only her my truck. Can you please ground them with that? Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Oh my god, Needy. I can't believe you have steal for only have Captain Golden's truck. Also, we can't believe we have crashed in the Captain Golden from Katsura Warner Wars truck. Now her cost her one now they cost her $15,000 next to you. Now her Captain Golden gonna battle her new truck because of you. But mom and dad, I'm very so sorry. It's too late for apology. You're grounded for life. Because my father is right. You're grounded for life. March her upstairs right now. Showers. How dare you have a crush on her and still Captain Gordon struck. Now her cost 15,000 no. Thanks to you, now they're going to, now the now Captain Gordon is gonna buy a new truck because of you. That's it. You're grounded for life. Could you go to room right the right breaking now? Wow 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 wow. Wow. How dare you have the steel and crush on Captain Gordon's truck. Now our costs are on the 15,000 notes. Thanks to you. Now they're going to buy now Captain Gordon to go and buy a new truck because of you. I agree with Libby. That's it. You're grounded for the rest of your natural life. Could you move right now? Don't think about what you've done, young. No way, man. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. City science kid. Automatic completely. How dare you steal of Captain Gordon's truck with only a little will. Lava from the FBI. Yeah. And many. They only now it only have cost 15,000 dollars. That's it. You grounded for 1,000 years. March upstairs and run out. Why? Oh. Little Will, how dare you have this steal and crush Captain Gordon's truck. Now her cost over 15,000 dollars. Thanks to you. Now, now we now Captain Gordon from Godzilla Warner Wars truck because of owner a new truck because of you. That's it. You're grounded. For 50 seconds. Could you know right now? Wow.